Now we are discussing about the carrier concentration of p-type semiconductor. This carrier concentration of p-type semiconductor and density of holes in valency band. The p-type semiconductor is having majority carriers or holes in valency band. The p-type semiconductor is having majority carriers of or holes in valency band. So this p-type semiconductor, how it forms means we can see here in the picture. Pure semiconductor fourth group elements. It is a pure semiconductor means intrinsic semiconductor. This is intrinsic semiconductor is going to be fourth group elements. So the fourth group elements are called pure semiconductor elements or pure semiconductor material. If you add plus doping, plus means doping, if you add it, impure elements like third group elements, which is having only 3 electrons, outermost orbit, it is having 4 electrons. So this 4 electron fourth group element, this 3 electron third group element, if you mix it, automatically p-type semiconductor will form. So due to adding of third group elements, due to adding of pure and impure elements, due to adding of impure elements third group elements, which is having 3 electrons, in energy in the band diagram, here acceptor energy level is going to form. This acceptor energy level is formed due to this third group elements mixing with fourth group elements. This third group element mixing with the fourth group element, this third group elements are giving, this other group element is giving this acceptor energy level. And in this entire p-type material we are having conduction band, valency band, intrinsic energy level, acceptor energy level, Fermi energy level, valency band. So like this, conduction band, intrinsic energy level, acceptor energy level, Fermi energy level, valency band. This acceptor energy level is coming due to what? Due to third group elements, which is added to fourth group element. Now to calculate carrier concentration of p-type semiconductor or density of holes in valency band, we have to take number of acceptor atoms per unit volume is equals to Na e power of minus of Ea minus Ef by kBt. So the number of acceptor atoms per unit volume is given as Na e power of minus of Ea minus Ef by kBt. This equation number I am taking it as a 1. Now we know the density of holes in valency band or number of holes per unit volume in valency band is written as 2 into 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 e power of Ef minus Ev by kBt, equation number 2. So if you observe, the number of holes per unit volume is written as means in the energy diagram, when temperature is somewhat increased, the valency band electrons are going to shift from valency band to acceptor energy level. By small raising of temperature, the electrons are going to shift from valency band to acceptor energy level. That is why here hole is formed, here electrons are present, here holes are present in valency band. In acceptor energy level, electrons are present. So the number of holes per unit volume, the number of holes per unit volume in valency band is written as 2 into 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 e power of minus of Ef minus Ev by kBt. Here sometimes you can write kV is equal to k also, no problem. Next what we are doing is number of acceptor atoms per unit volume is equals to, we are writing number of holes per unit volume in a valency band. This equation and this equation we are making equal. So density of acceptor atoms in density of holes, density of acceptor atoms per unit volume and density of holes are equal. So Ne into e power of minus Ea minus Ef by kBt is equals to, I am writing 2 into 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 e power of minus of Ef minus Ev by kBt. Just already we have this number of atoms per unit volume, acceptor atoms per unit volume, and is equals to what we are writing, number of holes in valency band per unit volume in a valency band. So that is how much, 2 into 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 e power of minus Ef minus Ev by kBt. So both we are doing and simplifying it like this. What we are doing is, this e power of minus Ef minus Ev by kBt is taken into this side. E power of minus Ef minus Ev by kBt is taken as a denominator of e power minus of Ea minus Ef by kBt. To that one, this one as a denominator. So we can see here e power of Ea minus Ef by kBt, here it is there, divided by this value we are doing. Cross multiplication I am doing. So this Na value is sending this side. That is why this value already I have written the same value as this 2 into 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 as it is I have written. This Ea I am sending to this side, so it becomes like this. So cross multiplication, this is coming this side and this is coming this side, then it becomes like this. Now what we are doing is reciprocal of above equation we are doing. Reciprocal or inverse of above equation means this value I am writing down value I am writing top, and the down value writing numerical value I am writing in denominator value I am writing numerator value I am writing in denominator. So exchange of values, numerator denominator numerator. So this value we got here in denominator by doing this denominator value we are writing above. So this is called inverse of the equation. The same thing right hand side also. Na is top and 2 into 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 is taken in the denominator. So rest, this is called inverse of above equation or reciprocal of above equation. So what we are doing is here e power of Ef minus Ev by kBt as it is have written Ef minus this minus Ef plus Ev minus Ef plus Ev by kBt. You can see carefully this minus is sent to inside minus Ea minus into minus plus Ef by kBt, that we have written here, don't get confused. And here also we send like this minus into Ef minus Ef minus into plus minus into minus plus, that is plus Ev, that is written here, minus into Ea minus into minus plus Ef by kBt is written here e power. Now in this case minus Ef minus into Ef minus into minus plus Ev by kBt is written here, and as it is 2 into 2 pi mp star kBt by h square already we got, that is there here written. This value is sent here. Now we are doing reciprocal of equation we are doing. So reciprocal of equation, if you do it, you can get the answer. So in the above two equations, if you see carefully above two equations, reciprocal about you are doing this e power of Ea minus Ef by kBt, we are writing as a denominator, and e power of minus Ef minus Ev by kBt is writing as a numerator. This is called reciprocal. Next, Na is writing in the numerator. 2 into 2 pi mp star is kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 written as a denominator. Now further simplification, what we are doing is this one. We got the same values, this value right now. From here to here, what we are doing is, it is also having kBt, it is also having kBt. If you bring it as a numerator, it becomes plus, it becomes minus. So first we will write e power of Ef minus Ev by kBt, e power of minus Ef minus Ef minus Ev minus Ev. Here if it goes up, what happens? It becomes plus Ea, it becomes plus EAC. If it goes up, what happens? Minus Ef minus Ef. It is having kBt, it is having kBt, that's why we are writing 1 kBt is equals to Na as it is, and 2 into 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 as it is we have done. So left side no change, only right side we have done from these two steps. Now we are taking e power of minus 2Ef means minus Ef and minus Ef. So minus Ef and minus Ef and minus Ef is equal to minus 2Ef, Ev as it is, Ea as it is. So same equation, but we are done minus Ef and minus Ef, it does a minus 2Ef in the our equation. Remaining plus Ev plus Ea, same as it is done. kBt also kBt as it is done. So the same equation, what you have done from here to here to here, the same equation is present. So right side no change, as it is we are dumping from here, means Na 2 into 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2. What is there? Here we are done. So here we can get, so the same values in left side values are not getting changed, as we are writing left side same value we are dumped here, the same value we are dumped here. So that's all. Only right side simplification we have done. Now we are writing here minus 2Ef by kBt Ev plus Ev plus Ea by kBt. We are writing how, means like this. The previous equation was, our previous equation was like this. This is our previous equation. E power of, by taking logarithm both sides, means here we are taking logarithm, here we are taking log. For the whole term I am taking logarithm like this. Both sides I am taking logarithm. When I take this logarithm both sides, what happen? We have a formula log e power x is equal to x. The same way log e power x is this one, total value is x. That is why it is going to become as a x only, x like this. That is why we are writing here minus 2Ef by kBt plus Ev plus Ea by kBt, as it is we are getting. This is called just like x. So this equation and this equation if you compare, log e power x is equal to x. This is x. So that's this x value we are writing by doing small simplification. So that is what? Minus 2Ef by kBt plus Ev plus Ea by kBt plus Ev plus Ea by kBt as is equals to. So this equals to we have written here. And previous value it is, what you have done previous value? NA, as it is NA, by 2 into 2 pi me star kbt by h square whole power 3 by 2, last equation. So 2 into 2 pi mp star kbt by h square whole power 3 by 2. So this is what we got in last equation. This equation, after taking logarithm, this total equation is going to become like this. So actually we have to show you like this due to place convenience. I am unable to tell you this one. So once again I am explaining this. Carefully listen to me. Log e power x is equal to x. Last equation. So log e power x is equal to x. But in the previous case, we got, here we got, for this one I am taking logarithm. This equation is there, for this equation I am taking log both sides. This equation is equal to 2 EF minus EV by minus 2EF EV plus EA by KBT. The same equation you can take NA by 2 into 2 pi MP star KBT by h square whole power 3 by 2. The same equation we have taken. Both sides we have taken what? Logarithm. Is equal to both sides we have taken logarithm. Then according to the formula of log e power x is equal to x. Log e power x is equal to x. So log e power x, that is going to become x only. So that we can see here x. Log e power x is equal to x. This is x. So that the same x we are getting here. This is x now. That x we are getting here. So that is why x value is how much? Minus 2EF by KBT, minus 2EF by KBT, plus EV plus EA by KBT. So that's why same value. So log value as it is we have taken here. But what is that? Log NA. 2 into 2 pi MP star KBT by h square whole power 3 by 2 here, whole power 3 by 2. So equation we got like this. EF by K minus 2 EF by KBT EV plus EA by KBT is equal to log of NA by 2 into 2 pi MP star KBT by h square whole power 3 by 2. Got it. Now what you are doing is this EV plus EA KBT is sending that side. This value send that side. Minus 2EF by KBT send that side is equal to right side. This log of NA by 2 pi MP star KBT by h square whole power 3 by 2 send this side. Then becomes minus log, it becomes plus. So if you send that side, I am writing first that value. If you go that side, this entire value, if it is going that side, right side of equal to, then it becomes plus. So 2EF by KBT. So next, EV plus EVA by KBT is as it is equal to this side only. This we are sending that side now. Then what happens? Minus log, it becomes minus log. NA by 2 into 2 pi MP star KBT by h square whole power 3 by 2. So same value. If it is entire value, this entire value is moving that side. This entire value is moving that side. This entire value is moving that side. This entire value is moving this side. Then we are getting this equation. This equation we are getting. Now from this equation, what we are doing is 2EF by KBT EV plus E is equal to EV plus EA by KBT minus log of NA by 2 into 2 pi MP star KBT by h square whole power 3 by 2 this time. in this case. So this 2 by kBt we sending this side, cross multiplication I am doing. So this kBt I have written here by this 2 I have written here for the first term, as it is I have written here, minus I have written. After minus this we are sending that side now. So kBt, again kBt by 2 we have written log of Na I have written 2 into 2 pi mp star kBt by h square, 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 whole power 3 by 2. Now next final equation, if you go, if you go for final equation, this kBt gets cancelled. So what happens? EV plus EA by 2, EV plus EA by 2, EF as it is. This kBt gets cancelled. EV plus EA by 2, EV plus EA by 2 minus kBt by 2 by 2 log of Na 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2, 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 as this. So this is called position of Fermi energy level. Position of Fermi energy level. According to temperature. Now case 1 we are taking. Case 1. If you take case 1, T is equal to 0 Kelvin. If you take this T is equal to 0, if you write in this equation, this entire term is going to become 0. This entire term is going to become 0. Then what happens? EF is equal to this, EF is equals to EV plus EA by 2 as it is, minus 1 by 2 into KB into 0 into log of this T place we are getting by 0, log of Na by 2 into 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2. T is equal to 0. So 0 into something 0, 0 into something 0. So finally EF is equals to EV plus EA by 2 minus 0. So finally we can write EF is equals to EV plus EA by 2. This is the final equation for case 1 when T is equal to 0 we are getting. Now we are writing now case 2. Case 2 is as this. Case 2. In the case 2 we are writing the same value as this. Case 2 is written as same as this. T is equal to T Kelvin. Then what happens? EF is equal to EV plus EA by 2 minus 1 by 2 kBt log of Na by 2 into 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2. This is the value. This is when case T is equal to T Kelvin. This is called Fermi energy level position. Now from this equation we can say that the energy level, Fermi energy level position moves up. Valency band, conduction band. So it is acceptor energy level A. This Fermi energy level EF. This EF will move like this and will go to nearby EF value. EF. So it is sliding from here to here according to this equation. According to this equation, when temperature T is equal to T Kelvin, when temperature T is equal to T Kelvin, this Fermi energy level moves to up. Means above acceptor energy level, this Fermi energy level is going to move up when temperature T is equal to T Kelvin. But now in this case 1, Fermi energy level will be like this. Conduction band CB, valency band VB, and this EA Fermi energy level is this one. Yep. So EA plus EV by 2, EA plus EV by 2, EA EV. This is exactly between these two the Fermi energy level exists. Density of holes in valency band of p-type semiconductor. Now the density of holes in valency band in p-type semiconductor. The density of holes we have to calculate. For the purpose I am taking the p-type Fermi energy level position. Just we have calculated EF is equal to EV plus EA by 2. Just we have calculated this value, minus 1 by 2 kB. Now we are discussing density of holes in valency band. Just we got from Fermi energy level equation. Just we have derived the Fermi energy level equation. EF is equals to EV plus EA by 2 minus 1 by 2 kBT log of NA by acceptor energy level, NA by number of acceptor energy levels, NA by 2 into 2 pi MP star kBT by H square whole power 3 by 2. This equation already we got. This equation is called as a 1. Says it is a 1. Already we got, just now we got in the previous derivation. This it is a equation number 1. The density of holes in the valency band in intrinsic semiconductor. The density of holes in valency band in intrinsic semiconductor is given like this. Already it is derived already. How much we got in the derivation? P is equals to 2 into 2 pi MP star kBT by H square whole power 3 by 2 e power of EF minus EV by kBT. This equation already we got in the derivation of intrinsic semiconductor holes carrier concentration. So this in this case EF is in the place of ES, this entire value we are going to write. We are going to write this entire value in the place of EF. Here we are substituting. If you substitute it, that's what we are saying, substituting the value of EF equation 1, this value of EF equation 1 we are substituting here, that is saying by this sentence. Then we got like this. Then P 2 pi MP star kBT by H square whole power 3 by 2, 2 pi MP star kBT T by H square whole power 3 by 2 e power of this e power. Here we have E we have power of EF. In the place of EF we written all this value, this entire value, EF value we have substituted here. That already we know this EF value, entire value, it is substituted here. plus EV by KVT. Now we are getting the same equation. We got the final equation here. This equation we are doing, this KBT is we are writing as a denominator of EV plus EA by KBT. Here we are separating, and KBT for this term is also separating. This KBT I am substituting, I am separately writing to EV. So this KBT separately writing to EV plus EA by 2. For this one separately I am writing this KBT, and the KBT is also separately writing to this term, and this KBT is also writing separately to this term. That we have done the next step. So P, if you write P same, 2 same, 2 pi MP star KBT by H square whole power 3 by 2, 2 pi MP star KBT by H square whole power 3 by 2, both are same only. E power is also same, E power is also same. This minus I am sending inside a bracket. Minus into EV plus EA by 2. So minus into EV plus EA by 2 KBT. Why is this KBT we have written here? So that's why we got 2 KBT. Minus into minus plus. That is why we are getting here plus. Here 1 by 2 KBT is there. Okay. But here 2 we are separately writing the total term, we are separately writing to KBT. This KBT comes 2 KBT here. That's why I get 2 KBT. This KBT as it is I am writing here. So next log flower bracket n suffix a 2 into 2 pi MP star KBT by H square whole power 3 by 2. 2 into 2 pi MP star KBT by H square whole power 3 by 2. All is same. Just separately I am writing this one here as 2 and this minus inside biggie. Next remaining is here we can see plus EV by EV is there, plus EV is there. So plus EV by KBT. This KBT comes here. So this KBT is separated to every term of the exponential. Now we can see P as it is P only. 2 pi MP star KBT whole power 3 by 2. 2 pi MP star KBT, 2 pi MP star KBT by H square whole power 3 by 2 whole power 3 by 2. Same as it is we have done. This exponential we are writing like this. Like this we are writing. E to the power of x plus y plus z is equal to e to the power of x into e to the power of y into e to the power of z. Like this we are writing. According to that formula, e to the power of x means EY plus EA by KBT. So e to the power of EV minus of this minus as it is EV plus EA by KBT. Next, e to the power of 1 by 2 KBT 2 KBT. Here we can see, remember that this KBT gets cancelled. So when you are going to get cancelled this KBT, only 1 by 2 remains, e power of 1 by 2 log within that bracket NA by 2 into 2 pi MP star KBT by H square whole power 3 by 2. So log of NA by 2 into 2 pi MP star KBT by H square whole power 3 by 2. Next, Y means this Y is what known as Z. This Z, e power of Z means EV by KBT. So e power of EV by KBT. Like this we got. Now if you go to next step, here this minus sending inside. This minus we are sending inside. This is also e power, this is also e power. This is also e power, this is also e power. So bases are same. That's why the power should be added. So I am writing here e power of minus EV by 2 KBT. Sorry, EV if minus if you send inside, minus into EV minus EV, minus into plus minus EA by 2 KBT by 2 KBT. This e power of EV by 2 KBT is written as, in this power only, single power, EV by 2 KBT. So EV by KBT. So EV by KBT is written here as a single power. Means bases are same, that's why powers are added. Here we can see. Next, e power of this term e power of 1 by 2 log e power of 1 by 2 log NA by 2 into 2 pi mp star kBt by square 2 pi mp star kBt by square whole power 3 by 2 whole power 3 by 2. Here what we have done, this 1 by 2 is this 1 by 2 is written as a here log of whole power. So log of whole power as that means this 1 by 2, this is we are getting that n into log x is equal to log x to the power of n formula. According to this formula, n into log x, so log x to the power of n we written. This is not there, I forgot to tell you this one, it's already written, it is not there. Now come to see here. Now so next value p to p 2 to 2 2 mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 2 mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 e power of if you take LCM, no, don't take LCM, next step we will take LCM. EV minus EA by 2 kBt EV minus EA by 2 kBt this plus EV by kBt log of e power of next e power of log NA by 2 into 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. Here 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 2 pi mp star kBt by whole power 3 by 2, that's all. Same as it is, the same step is repeated here. Now we are writing here, see that pp 2 pi mp star kBt by h square 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 whole power 3 by 2 e power of, see LCM is taken from these two, so EV minus EA, so here 2 is near there, so this is multiplied with 2, so 2 EV, then LCM is 2 kBt, we got e power of log as it is, the same value is written here, e power of log NA by 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 whole power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2, that's all, same as it is. But now we are taking one other formula. So P is equals to, we got this value now from this value, but we know that e to the power of log x is equal to x. According to that formula, e power of log x, this is totally, if you think it is x, you can write x. So we can write here this value only I am writing here, e to the power of log x power x is equal to e to the power of log x is equal to x. We are writing e to the power of log NA by 2 into 2 mp star kBt by h square 2 into 2 mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 whole power 3 by 2 whole power 1 by 2. So if it is like this, then what happens, x, this x has this, in this x place it is there, so it is equal, hence this, in this term, in this equation I am writing this value according to this formula. This value here it I have written, that value equals to this one, so like that I have written. That is why PP 2 to 3 mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 2 mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 e power of EV. Now we can see this minus EV plus 2 EV, we can get plus EV minus EA by 2 kBt we are getting. So in minus 2 plus 2 EV minus EV is going to become plus EV minus EA by 2 kBt. This value already I said e to the power of log x is equal to x according to that formula. This is going to become x as it is after Na by 2 into 2 mp star kBt by x square 2 into 2 pi mp star kBt by x square whole power 3 by 2 whole power 3 by 2. The whole power is again this whole power is 1 by 2 1 by 2. Next, if you observe this one carefully, so from here to here pp 2 mp star kBt by x square whole power 3 by 2 2 mp star kBt by x square whole power 3 by 2 e power of ev minus ea by 2 kBt e power of ev minus ea by 2 kBt as it is. Now this whole power separately we are writing Na power 1 by 2, so Na power 1 by 2, 2 power 1 by 2, 2 power 1 by 2, 2 mp star kBt by h square 2 mp star kBt by h square. This whole power is what? 3 by 2, whole power is 3 by 2. That whole power separately I am writing to here. Now if I write carefully, what's happening? P 2 pi mp star kBt by h square 3 by 2 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2. This is e power ev minus ea by 2 kBt e power ev minus ea by 2 kBt n power 1 by 2 n power 1 by 2 2 power 1 by 2 2 power 1 by 2 2 mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 what 1 by 2 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 3 by 4 it happens. Next, from this what I am doing is from this I am doing pp 2 this 2 power 1 by 2 I am writing here. This numerator value, this denominator value I am bringing as a numerator, then power 1 by 2 is going to become minus 1 by 2 here. This 2 power 1 by 2 is going to become 2 power minus 1 by 2. So 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 as this I am writing. Now what I am doing is this 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 is denominator, this we are bringing as a numerator. So if you bring it up, what happens? 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power minus 3 by 2. If it goes up, what happens? If we are going to write as a numerator, then it is minus 3 by 4 happens, minus 3 by 4. So this is already written. This value I am writing like this: 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by minus 3 by 4. Minus 3 by 4. Why? Because this I am writing as a numerator. This is in denominator. I am writing as a numerator in the next step. So next value, the same value, e power ev minus ev minus ea by 2 kBt. So next I am writing here e power of ev minus ea by 2 kBt. This n power a by n suffix a power 1 by 2 n suffix a power 1 by 2 as this I have done. Now what we are doing is 2 into 2 power minus 1 by 2. So 2 power 1 minus 1 by 2. Here 1 is set. 2 power nothing means what? 1. 1 minus this 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. This Na power 1 by 2 I am writing starting only. 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2. 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power minus 3 by 2. So bases are same. That's why I am writing only 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 minus 3 by 4 I am writing. E power of ev minus ea by 2 kBt, the same value I am writing here. Now if I simplify it further, pp 2 power 1 minus 1 by 2 value is 2 power 1 by 2, Na power 1 by 2, 2 pi mp star kBt by h square 3 by 2 minus 3 by 4 value is 3 by 4, that's all. E power of ev minus ea by 2 kBt, e power of ev minus 2 ev minus ea by 2 kBt. Now we can write final equation. P is equal to pp 2. It is having its 2 power is also 1 by 2. Na power is also 1 by 2. So n suffix a value power 1 by 2. 2 power 1 by 2. So 2 values I am writing within the one bracket. So 2n whole power of 1 by 2, like that I am writing. 2 pi mp star kBt by 2 pi mp star kBt by h square whole power 3 by 2 3 by 2 I am writing. E power of ev minus ea by 2 kBt, the same value we are getting. This is the density of holes in p-type semiconductor. Last final equation we have to write in examination.